Hello guys, welcome again to your English class. Remember that we are in week number 4. I hope that everyone is okay. Let's start. Okay, today the conference is writing and the learning goal is to write about a past experience, okay? Today we are going to learn more about past simple, but first of all, we have a question that is, what activities did you do when you were a child, right? And as you can see, we have two pictures. First of all, we are going to identify the pictures in present, the activities, right, or the actions. For example, in present, we can say go to the park with friends and ride a bike with family. What happens if we want to change the sentences into the past? Yes, the actions. For example, past, went to the park with friends and rode a bike with family, right? So we have to change the verbs, yes, or the actions into the past simple. Of course, in your class, your teacher is going to show you more examples, okay? So pay attention to your teacher. We are going to continue now with the writing process about the project time, okay? For example, brainstorming, yes, we are going to start with the first step of writing. We have 7 questions to answer. How are we going to answer this question? For example, when was it? 2018, right? How many years ago? 3. How did that day start? In question number 3, you are going to write 3 ideas. For example, woke up at 7, took a shower, and went to school very early, right? What was the Olympics name? What sport did you participate? What time did it last? And were you the winner? We have 2 options, okay? Let's continue with the second part, that is the drafting, right? The second step of writing. Here, you are going to write your ideas. For example, number 1, it was in 2018, right? Number 2, 3 years ago. Number 3, that day I wake up at 7. In present, I took a shower and I went to the school very early. And the next sentences are in past. Then we are going to check that. The Olympic name was Together Forever. I participated in running. It lasted 15 minutes and I was the winner because I practiced a lot. Okay, now let's continue. Revising. Here you have to improve your drafting, right? For example, we have 2 questions to answer, right? 2 questions, 2 ideas, right? What is happening here? 2 questions. For example, what is happening here? Yes, why is it in present? And here, what is the possessive, right? Second question, what is the possessive? We have to get better your writing, okay? Your writing. So, for example, wake, we have to consider the verb but in the past, woke, right? And the Olympic name, right? Remember that Olympic, yes, is with Y. And of course, the possessive, right? The Olympics name, okay? Then, when your teacher has already revised, okay, we are going to continue with editing. For example, here your teacher will correct your text. As you can see, we have the words, yes, already checked. I woke up in past and the Olympics name, yes, the Olympics with Y and with a possessive, right? Was Together Forever, correct, okay? After your teacher, yes, checks this part, you are ready to publish your text, okay? Remember, you are going to write all your ideas in a publishing file. Remember that you can use virtual resources such as Canva, Genially, original PowerPoint presentation, extra pictures also, why not, right? Because you are going to present your project. You are going to share your project in your class, okay? So let's start with the publishing now and we'll see you next class. Thank you very much.